teachers, fellow students, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to tell you a story entitled How Chickens and Foxes Became Enemies. Once upon a time, when the world was still young, chickens and foxes were good friends. They would all play together and look for food together too. One day, a certain fox and a chicken decided to go into a village to look for food. They spotted a cornfield, but the corn was not ripe yet. But where is the owner? The chicken asked.
There doesn't seem to be one,
the fox replied.
Let's claim it for ourselves.
The chicken agreed, and they both tended to the field. However, when the corn was almost ripe, a crow arrived. Oh, fox, hurry home! Your mother is ill. She needs you. The fox turned to the chicken.
Please look after our farm and save my share of corn.
However, that night, the chicken had called all his relatives over. Come, come! Free corn for everyone! Yay! They all cried. Soon, the chickens had eaten all the corn in the field. When the fox returned the next day, he was shocked to see corn cobs everywhere.
My friend has betrayed me,
he cried sadly. The fox asked the crow to warn the chicken.
If he doesn't have my share in 3 days, I'll eat him up.
3 days later, the chicken was still unable to find any corn for the fox. He warned the other chicken. We must hide from the fox from now on. He is no longer our friend. From that day forward, foxes and chickens have never been friends, and foxes almost always prey on chickens at night.